Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color a very beautiful tractor. Let's start drawing. First, I will draw the two wheels of the tractor. This is the first wheel of the tractor. And then second wheel of this tracker. This is the biggest wheel in this tracker. Wow! Now I will draw the bottom side like this. Now the top side, this is the roof. Then I will draw the main engine of the tractor. This time I will draw the silencer pipe of the tractor. Hey, wow, so beautiful! Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I will color the top of the tractor yellow. And then I'll do the same color in the middle of the wheel, like this. Red color. This is my favorite color. This is the most attractive color on this tractor. Really, child? Dark green color, like this. Now I'm doing this color on two wheels. Wow, that's great! This time I am using pink colored pipe cleaners. I am using the same color here too. The children are going to be amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!